Are you interested in a residency program that encompasses the entire spectrum of family medicine? We see patients from newborns to geriatrics, prenatal procedures, and chronic medical conditions.
Are you?
Are you?
Are you passionate about serving an underserved patient population? Our program offers high-quality accredited training in a diverse underserved setting.
Are you?
Are you? Are you ready to be part of a long history of serving patients in Riverside County? Since 1971, we have graduated over 420 competent and confident family physicians.
Moreno Valley Community Health Center is part of the larger network of RUHS CHCs that serve the diverse population of Riverside County.
Are you interested in working in a full-scope federally qualified health center? Our residents provide mother-baby care at our continuity clinic and on the labor and delivery floor. We take care of women before, during, and after pregnancy.
Are you?
Are you? Are you into procedures? We perform all procedures from head to toe in the inpatient setting, outpatient setting. Our residents perform circumcisions, women's health, contraception, and many more.
Are you?
Are you the family in family medicine? Our program fosters a healthy, happy learning environment with protected didactic time, protected wellness and resident bonding time, and hands-on skills workshops.
Are you excited about transforming lives through medication for addiction treatment? We treat substance use disorder through compassionate and comprehensive care with evidence-based medicine through our MAT program.
Are you?
Are you a sports fan? We train 2 sports medicine fellows per year, and our residents have many opportunities to learn sports medicine through local high school coverage and point-of-care ultrasound.
Are you community-minded, public health-oriented, and passionate about serving a historically marginalized population? Our resident physicians partner with local organizations to build their skills in structural competency and health advocacy.
Ultimately, our residents practice health equity and justice through clinical care and advocacy. They will learn about community resources to bring the best care to our patients.
We are all here to learn and grow, to serve the underserved patients of the Inland Empire.
Are you interested in being part of our family? Check out our website and follow us on social media.
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
Are you?
RUHS!